Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to our Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. This one's gonna be quick. We're gonna change that kickstand knob, which is atrocious by the OEM. And then we're gonna throw in some fancy stem caps on those Marcassini forged wheels, guys. It's gonna be pretty cool. The second part of the series is going to cover a very small part of this video. We're going to be revisiting Aella. Oh, I pronounced it correctly this time. As for the seasoned guys out there, you'll know the faux pas before saying Aella. It's pronounced Aella, made out of Japan, and they're very cool, very small. But again, here at Motovation USA, we find the best around the world and highlight it. These are titanium heat treated valve stem caps. It's a small flex, but I think it's something that's pretty cool. They are sold individually. That's the one caveat. You do have a little bit of beveling down here, and then it says Aella, of course you could see on the stem caps. Really nice finish. They're so tiny. Just trying to see the best way I could show you guys these. Take a look at the coloring of the titanium. Let's take a look at the kickstand knob. For those of you that ride a Panigale V4S, V4R, SB, Street Fighter, the kickstand game is a little weak. So this is gonna be a nice add-on. Again, this is heat treated titanium. This is why you can see a little bit of the bluish and the purplish on there. We get to use our lovely beta tools, guys, and very excited to be rocking the Beta Tool brand, man. All of the links will be in the description down below. This is the OEM kickstand nub, and you can see this is the Aella one. It's a little bit longer, and you're gonna have a little bit more grip when you're coming off the bike. I will recommend that you guys get some Loctite for this. Comes right out. You just kind of crank it out. Very straightforward. This one's an easy peasy install. We're gonna grab our Aella one. We're gonna drop some Loctite on there. I'm using blue. You don't have to do as much. So Loctite is good. Now we're just gonna throw that in. All right, we're gonna grab our 8mm beta wrench and get that put on nice and tight. That looks really, really cool. And it makes a huge difference. Look at the length difference. I'd say it's a nice difference of how much more you have to actually get the bike off the kickstand. So very exciting. And then we'll quickly throw on the Aella stem caps. Yeah, so we're gonna keep it very brief, guys. Again, I know some of this stuff might not warrant dual videos, but I just thought it's nice to highlight the stuff on its own because Aella's a very interesting company. They're not Italian, they're not German. These guys are out of Japan, and we support quality no matter where it's coming from. Aella produce some amazing titanium stuff, guys. They do way more than just this. This is just a small stuff that's gonna add personality to the Street Fighter. I guess a little bit of a flex move, but I love the titanium with a little bit of heat treatment that gives you that colorway. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motovation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop MotovationUSA.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride all the time with a little bit of Aella in your stem caps.